Hi, welcome to another very out of nowhere video, but I just really wanted to make a review / assembly video for this futon that I absolutely love. It's a faux leather memory foam futon by the brand Ilulu. Sorry if I said that wrong, but it's very similar to one from Mainstays that they have at Walmart for $179. This one cost me $239 from Amazon because Walmart was indefinitely out of the faux leather versions. All 6 legs and 12 bolts come in this little hidden bag, and it also conveniently includes a wrench, so you're gonna have everything you need to assemble it right here. And you also get a potential chip hiding area. First, you're going to place the cushions face down on the floor and then lay down the legs, putting the ones that are pointing outwards on each of the 4 corners and the 2 straight ones down the middle. You're going to secure each of the outer legs with the 8 smaller bolts which were provided, middle legs with the 4 bigger bolts. They're gonna need a little extra strength, I guess. Once the screws are in place, you're going to use a provided little wrench and tighten each of them. And that's pretty much it. A 10-year-old could do it. So now you're just going to flip it over and be careful not to mishandle it because the foldable sides and the backrest kept on folding in on me, making the flipping part a little harder. Don't be like me. My absolute favorite part and the reason I swore by this particular futon were the adjustable sides. I know it's such a small detail, but many futons that I was looking at either didn't have armrests or had the ones that are permanently there, not adjustable. This is where I used to sleep. This was a martial arts type mat, which I was okay with because I refused to get a bed for the longest time because it gave me anxiety to have such a huge bulky item taking up all this space, and like 3 blankets and comforters. Now this is my current sleeping situation. I absolutely love how much space I have. I don't know why it makes me satisfied just having this much space, even though I'm probably not going to put anything here. Also from Amazon is this weighted blanket which has a warm side for the winter and a fresh side for the summer. So you could stay either cool or warm. No need to buy extra comforters now. So I would definitely recommend this futon if you're, for example, leaving by yourself and maybe you want to have some guests over. You could always convert it into a seat. Or if you live in a very limited space area, or if you just have minimalistic tendencies like me and just want a lot of space for no reason. None of this was sponsored. I just wanted to make this video in case somebody was looking to buy this product and wanted to see how it works. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video and good luck on your shopping journey.